What if I told you India just built an AI model that is competing with and in many tastes beating a Chinese model that is 6 times bigger? Yes, smaller, leaner, but matching a 671 billion parameter Kent. This isn't just an AI news, this is a power shift. At the AI summit, many announcements were made, but the real headline Sarvam AI. They introduced Sarvam 105B, a 105 billion parameter AI model built completely in India. And when I say built, I don't mean fine tuned, I don't mean adopted, I don't mean rebranded, I mean trained from scratch, designed here, engineered here, owned here. Let me simplify this. AI models have parameters. Think of parameters as the brain cells of an AI system. More parameters usually mean more memory, more reasoning depth, more complexity, more power. Last year, China launched DeepSeek R1 with 671 billion parameters. That's massive. Now here is a shocker. Sarvam 105B with just 105 billion parameters is matching in several benchmarks, outperforming that 671B model. That's like building a lean Indian engine that outruns a massive global machine. Efficiency beats brute force, optimization beats size, engineering beats volume. This is not just about performance, this is about sovereignty. When you train a model from scratch, you control the architecture, you control the data, you control the optimization, you control the roadmap, you control the security. That means India now has sovereign AI capability. Only a handful of nations can say that. The US, China, maybe a few others. Now India joins that elite league. We are no longer dependent on foreign foundation models for everything. Here is something most people don't realize. Bigger AI models require massive compute, consume huge energy, cost enormous money, are difficult to deploy at scale, while a highly optimized 105B model is cheaper to run, easier to scale. For decades, we imported technology, we licensed technology, we adopted global platforms. But now, India is building foundational technology. And this isn't a one-time event. More larger Indian AI models are already in development. This is the beginning of an ecosystem. When a country builds its own foundational AI, it controls its digital future, it protects its data sovereignty, it builds strategic leverage, it influences global AI standards. AI is the new oil, and India just drilled its own well. Let this sink in. 105 billion parameter Indian model competing with a 671 billion parameter global Kent. That's not just technical achievement, that's proof of capability, proof of confidence, proof that Indian deep tech is entering the global arena, not as a follower but as a competitor. India isn't catching up anymore. India is building its own future. And this is just the beginning. If you found this powerful, hit like, share this video and subscribe to Decoded Life, where we decode the shifts shaping our world.